4. You must recite timely, clear, and substantive response to the exam. 5. You must avoid from eternity, un minuto, carrying weapons of any nature. 6. You must pay the tuition value on time. 7. You must receive the wellness service that offers un minuto. 8. You must freely express your ideas and develop autonomously its personality, always that the institution respect. You must deserve respect for the confidentiality of your personal data, your conduct, your academic and health records. 9. You must choose and be elected to integrate the organs of direction and of their position on private for the status and regular of participant. 10. You must treat as a member of the university community. 11. You must properly use etiquette protocols in different visual environments. 12. 12. You must respect the free exercise of the rights of the rest. 13. You must respect the confidentiality and privacy of the members of the university community. 14. 14. You must take careful care of the equipment, furniture, materials, and buildings of the university corporation. 15. You must use the technology, computer and communication meet only one with which academic interesting.